Welcome to Luxury Cars Drive. Today, we're diving into the futuristic beauty of the 2025 Mercedes-Benz CLA third generation. A car that's not just turning heads, but also turning the page in automotive innovation. With its sleek coupe-inspired design and revolutionary electric-first platform, this CLA is no ordinary entry-level Benz. It's a clear statement that luxury, performance, and sustainability can live together in perfect harmony. Asterisk from the outside, the CLA 3rd Gen is sharper, leaner, and far more aerodynamic than its predecessor. The signature star grille now stretches wider with digital lighting elements that hint at the tech-savvy personality hidden underneath. The body lines are sculpted for performance, and the frameless doors maintain the four-door coupe look. That made the CLA famous. Flush door handles, slim LED light bars, front and rear, and 20-inch alloy wheels give it a futuristic presence unlike anything else in its class. Asterisk under the skin. Mercedes has introduced the all-new MMA platform, which supports both electric and internal combustion engines. That means whether you go for the electric CLA EV or the hybrid turbocharged option, you're getting next-level engineering. The electric version is expected to deliver up to 750 kilometers of range on a single charge, with an 800 volts charging system, capable of adding over 400 kilometers in just 15 minutes. That's not just convenience, that's the future of daily driving. Asterisk step inside, and the story continues. The cabin is nothing short of revolutionary. The dashboard is one single glass panel stretching from pillar to pillar, a full-width digital interface powered by the new MBUX superscreen. You're not just sitting in a car, you're stepping into a digital cockpit. Voice controls are smarter. The AI assistant learns your behavior. And everything from navigation to ambient lighting is personalized and intuitive. Asterisk Mercedes has focused on sustainability too. The interior uses recycled and vegan materials without compromising the luxurious feel. Seats are sporty, yet supremely comfortable, with advanced posture sensors that adjust for your long-distance comfort. The steering wheel is new, the switchgear is minimal, and the sense of space is amplified by a massive panoramic roof. Asterisk on the road. The CLA delivers a dynamic yet refined driving experience. The electric variant offers instant torque with AO 100 km/h sprint in under 4.5 seconds. It stays planted in corners thanks to its low center of gravity and intelligent AWD system. Meanwhile, the combustion version still packs a punch, powered by a mild hybrid turbo engine paired with a seamless dual-clutch transmission. No matter which version you choose, you're getting cutting-edge driving assistance, adaptive suspension, and Level 2 plus autonomy for highways. Asterisk, the 2025 Mercedes CLA is not just a car. It's a bold leap into what premium compact sedans are meant to be. Whether you're chasing elegance, performance, or zero-emission power, the CLA stands at the crossroads of all three. Mercedes hasn't just refreshed a model, they've redefined an entire segment. Asterisk. Thanks for watching Luxury Cars Drive. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more exclusive reviews of the most iconic cars of the future. See you in the next drive. Asterisk.